Here I have GoPro HERO 5 Black, and let me show you how to switch on the GPS on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by holding a mode key in order to switch on the camera. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the GoPro will be turned on, and now you may use your device. So at the very beginning, let's swipe down your screen to choose preferences. Scroll down and you have to choose the GPS settings. Right here it's located under regional tab, so let me choose on GPS right here. And if you would like to capture the location where you take your video and photos, let's just tap on. And right now you just enable the GPS and you can use the GPS on your device. So let me go back, and now you may use your GoPro. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.